Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the Samsung Internet notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom, and then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Sites and Downloads. Next, you want to tap on Notifications, and then tap on the More button at the top and choose Notification Settings. And in here, select one of the category. So, for example, websites. You tap on that, and then you go down and you tap on Sound. And in here, you can change the sound by choosing one of the short sound. There you go. So select one of the sound, and then tap on the back key, and then back again. So whenever you receive a notifications from Samsung Internet, now it will alert you with a new sound. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your viewing web page, or tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.